Okay, let me turn this music down. There we go, turn it down just a little bit, get this thing rocking and rolling. Give it a minute for you guys to get here and show up. So let me make a, there we go. I'm just filing things so when the stream ends it goes to the right places. There we go. How is everybody doing this morning or this evening? Gee, I don't even know what time of day it is. It is evening time. I've been busy helping the wife do laundry, getting things ready to go on a vacation this weekend. How is everybody doing today? Kill that music back a little bit more. So smash that like button, come in here and say hello, give me a thumbs up or let me know you can hear me. Reading Discord real quick. Set stuff down here. So everybody's asking me to cover Bitcoin real quick. Everybody's a little worried about what's going on. We are hitting a low, and do I think we're going to 19,000? Oh, eventually. But let's see how soon we're going to get there. Go to 3 hour here. Yeah, we're right there testing that bottom. So I think, yeah, if we break this wick right here, I think we go down. But you can see this little channel I got kind of drawn out here. It's been running down here, bouncing up. Started follow this one here. Then came back down, started bouncing off this one here. So it is undecisive as it can get. Somebody asked me yesterday how far back this channel goes, and I looked at it. It goes all the way back 2.5 years, or this line right here. So this trend line that it is riding on right now is about 2.5-year-old trend line. I guess I can pull it back up and go to the weekly. Show you guys real fast what I'm talking about. If I squeeze this thing down. Nope, take it back. It's not that one. It's the other one that's right here somewhere. It's not the big one. It's on my other chart. I lied. It's on my other chart. So I'll pull that other chart up here in a little bit and we'll go over that. But it's pretty much the same line. So yes, we are coming down here looking to retest this down here for a double bottom. That would be where the body is. So we just touched it right there. We just smashed the double bottom right here. And that's based on the body candles right here. So those are the two bodies that are the lowest bodies of the candles. These are the wicks right here. So I would probably bring this down to this wick right here off that line. And that kind of lines up with yesterday's low. We're going to hold 20K. What time is it? 6 o'clock my time. It is Thursday. Sydney just opened up. We're going on their second hour. 20K. Yes, I'm going to say we hold 20K. Might make a liar out of me, but I'm used to it. No. Let's see. Let's do this. Let's go to this chart here. Let me open up this other chart real quick. I need to move this microphone closer so you guys can hear me. That's Ethereum. Bitcoin. I think this is the channel I was talking about, this line right here. So let me pull this back up to a weekly. No, that's going to got my perpetual. Wake up, use the right charts. I ain't either. So, yep, I need to organize myself a little more with my charts. Because I was just running over it earlier and could not miss it. Either that, this is not giving me my full run back. Or maybe that is it. Yeah, April 12th, 2021. We're in 2022. So that is a year old off of this here. So I ran off that peak to this peak, and we're down here, and we're running off of it again. So that's 2021. Almost 2 years, year and a half. So let's pull this back into the 1 hour. So on this chart here, what we're seeing here, my market cipher indicators down here showing that we're not completely bottomed out. We could go down more. And the all reality, we could come down and hit the bottom of this channel here, or this trend line. And that would put us in around, well, see, it's the hour. So yeah, it would put us around 19.1. I don't see us coming down this far. I'm sitting here talking, my microphone's muted. Oh, I'm trying to rush through this because my wife just dropped my dinner in my lap and told me it was time to eat. So we're going to double test this right now in the 1 hour. We're fixing to double test this. It's going to come down and test it again. According to stocks RSI right here, it's going to hold. But there's always a but it might not. I think we're safe here. I know Hong Kong and Tokyo have been slamming us further and further, so we just barely touched below it. But I'm not worried about the wick. I'm worried about the body If the body closes below 20,231.50 and the wick doesn't extend any of these wicks here, I think we'll hold. And we'll see this start bringing us back up. And I think Tokyo will bounce this back up and bring it up. We don't have any vectors in here. No. There's this one back here, which took out these green ones. What about the 30-minute? Any vector candles in the 30-minute here? One green here, one red here. Insignificant, nothing huge. So we just double tapped this line here. It set it and it came back and retested it. So 8 minutes left on this 30-minute candle. I would like to see this come back, start working its way back up. But I mean, right now, I mean, I'll be honest with you guys. I mean, everybody's saying if you're trying to predict this market where we're at right now, it is extremely tough. And I can give you all the predictions in the world. I mean, I'm looking at if there's any kind of pattern here. It's just crazy. I mean, yeah, there was a little head and shoulder or inverse head and shoulder here. Or could you say this is the shoulder, this is the head, and it's creating another shoulder here? I mean, it's just, there's just so many patterns you can look at, and nothing is really working. I mean, this is an inverse head and shoulder pretty much here. You got a little bounce and just crashed. I mean, so it'd be like an inverse head and shoulder, another small inverse, another small inverse. I mean, it's just constantly, there's all kinds of them here. So is this a actual head and shoulder right here? I mean, so you could see the head right here. You can see this shoulder. Are we creating the right shoulder? Do we get a bounce out of here? I mean, so, I mean, you can dig for everything you want to look for. But at the end of the day, the fear in the market's pretty strong. And the more fear we get, the harder it is for this going to hold. Let's go to 3 hour. Over the long term, I mean, there's no big pattern here other than just a mudslide. I mean, I would say we have double bottom here, maybe pump up a little bit because today's Thursday. You got Friday. Get back over this little channel line here. Try to work its way up into the 21.7, 21.8 area for Friday. Kind of level out for Saturday. Then Sunday, possibly come back and retest this line. Break back through it again. And then start heading down. And I mean, here's the thing. This red area, it's inevitable. It's coming. You just gotta ask yourself, when is it coming? These numbers are gonna get smashed. I'm not gonna lie to you. These numbers are getting hit. We're too close to it for it to turn away and not come down here. There's equity in here, or liquidity. The question we gotta ask ourselves is, how cruel is the market gonna get? Is it gonna go for this liquidity here, or is it gonna leave it alone and just wipe out this area and go away? I got all these numbers scattered up here. These are all these numbers from way back over here to the left side when we're coming down. So we can see the pattern of it coming down here, going sideways, another dive. It's not as steep as what the last one was. The last dive off here was literally 33.06%. We're only at Well, we're at 36% now. 35, 35.9, 36%. So we're actually dove down deeper by a couple of percent than we did over here. It just looks, it's more drawn out, more of an angle. This is more straight down. So that being 33, this being 36%. And I'd like to say we're on hold for a little bit and start trending a little sideways. So whether that holds here at 20,000 or whether it holds and goes sideways at 19.7. I mean, if we come down a little more, there's 19.7, 19.5. And I'm just looking for all kinds of patterns, and there is no pattern on this that I am seeing. I mean, somebody might see something different, but man, I am not seeing a pattern here. Other than just death spiral patterns. It's funny how that number came out across the daily open. I mean, the best educated guess I'm going to give you from what I'm seeing is I think we hold between 19.7 and 20,800. And then Sunday is fair game. I'm looking for my rectangle. So this area right here to 19.7. This is the 17th. I'm gonna mark it for the today and tomorrow. Today 17th, tomorrow's Friday the 18th, the 19th, and I would say probably to about 11 o'clock Central Standard Time on the 19th. I'd like to say we stay within this box. I will save that and put it on there. So see how accurate I get, how close I can get to this. And I do this for my own, so I know. I give you guys a call. I want to mark it. I want to see how close I get to this based off what I see. Price label. So there's a price label there. Price label there. 13,705. Uh, 19,700. There we go. Everything's lined up 19,700. I would like to say that's going to hold. But once we get to, like I said, once we get to Sunday, Saturday, I would say no later than Saturday afternoon, I think it's fair game for where this is going to go. It could go up, break up out of here, or it could just start working its way down to 18. So hopefully that helps you guys. The DXY is coming down. JPY, that's coming down. Those going down, Bitcoin should have been going up. Dow Jones went pretty much well, that's 30 minutes. Let's go to 3 hour. See, that came down. DXY came down, starting to go back up. JPY went up and is coming back down. S&P 500 has started to refill that gap right there. Has not started to refill that gap. It's coming down. So everything's coming down. So that kind of tells me that Bitcoin's coming down, but yeah, the dollar is really coming down. That's what we need to see. The dollar come down. the Japanese yen come down. Yeah, with this happening the way it's happening, it's going to come back down and get the rest of this vector candle. Yeah, Bitcoin's going to go back up tonight. If not, just go sideways. I think that double bottom is going to be it. But I will say 19.7 is going to be the bottom until midday Saturday. So, any other questions, peeps? Let's see here. I know somebody usually wants me to cover Ethereum. So, I'm expecting to get a green dot down here on Market Cipher and get that to come back. It's starting to curl. So, I'm feeling good and confident that this will start turning back up. Ethereum. That's not the one I want. There's the one I want. We dove down into this box. This right here tells me we're going to keep coming down. You guys don't want to hear this, but maybe we're going to get a green dot down here, but not right now. This is the 1 hour. Man, I think Ethereum is probably going to come down a little more, but this weekend, you could see Ethereum probably almost get to $1,000, if not to the 984 marker. So I think within the next 5 or 6 days, we see Ethereum down in that 900, 980 range, $1,000 range. So I hope that helped you guys out. I apologize, I run through this so quick, but I got hot dinner sitting here for me, and I got to finish packing and doing more stuff. I'm kind of dressed here like a slum, like a bum. It's just been one of those days where we're just getting everything ready to get out of here first thing in the morning. Got a little bit of a drive ahead of us. So I will be gone until Sunday night. So you probably won't hear me on here until Monday morning. If something happens to the live stream, I do apologize. I won't be able to fix it until I get home Sunday night. So I don't know what to say. I don't have nobody available to fix it if it does. So you guys have a wonderful day. Yeah, I'm not going to cover Luna right now. I want to go eat my dinner, man. Try to think here. Do I have? Yeah. Nah, if I cover one Luna, I gotta cover them all. You hope we lose it. What, the stream? I hope the stream don't collapse when I'm gone. Yeah, I'm not gonna cover Luna. If I do that, I'm gonna be here for another hour, and I want to eat this dinner before it gets cold. I will do this real quick. I'll show you what's trending. Nothing. Everything is red. Look at that. There's only 2 coins in the green on Coinbase, and that's, well, Wrap Luna don't count. So HBAR, Hydra Hashgraph, is the only thing green. Everything on Coinbase is in the red. Not a good day. That's Binance. My bad. Watch list. There we go. Knew that couldn't be possible. We got what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 green. You got liquidity, farm, rep, storage, gods, shipping, MPL, Gwen. And these are stable coins. So actually only about 8 coins, 7 coins are in the green. Liquidity, man. Up 33% today. What a monster, huh? Somebody's got to run up. But man, look at those big spike candles. I hate those. So you guys have a wonderful rest of your evening. I am going to get this stuff. Let's see, Bitcoin. Ethereum. That's the right one. Okay. Save everything I just did. close that out. So just be safe trading this weekend. Man, I mean, I hate to say it, but right between now and the next few days, it's just, I mean, I don't even have any trades going. I'm not doing any trading. It's just too unstable. I want to wait and see if it levels out some more, because if it levels out and goes sideways like I think it's going to do, and we're already starting to get there a little bit, but it should pull back up. It shows some stability. Then when I anticipate the next down drop, I want it to be somewhere up around 21.5, 21.8 area, and then catch the next downfall or short. But just be safe this week. It's going to get volatile between here and Sunday, and it's very unpredictable. So everybody have a wonderful rest of your day. When I end this live stream, I did set it up to redirect you back to the other live stream. So let me know if you get redirected. So hang in here, check it out, and you guys have a good one.